I'm Luis Puerta. I'm an interior designer. I live in Madrid. And I bought this property about 7 years ago. I was looking for a place where to spend the weekends with friends. So I found this palazzo built in the 18th century. It took 2 years to renovate it because it was on ruins. And I like it very much because it was very special. And also because it has a nice garden, potential garden. When I bought it, it was just an abandoned garden. And it has also a very nice chapel. It's big enough to invite friends. And it's a nice place, you will see.
This is the entrance. When I started the works of the house, was very focused was in the courtyard because it was closed and from the entrance we couldn't see before the garden. So I made it bigger windows and I put the columns and now you have a nice view from the entrance through the courtyard to the garden. This is the first floor of the house and here we have a living room which we use mostly in winter time. And as you can see, it's an example of the kind of decoration I like. This is a decoration not very simple. I just like to collect nice things and to arrange it with a sense of calm. So the decoration, finally, it's a calm space. And I value a lot the empty spaces, not full of things. Every piece of furniture can breathe and it gets an harmony, a special harmony and calm decoration. This is the gallery, which is the space that we use mostly on summer and springtime. And it's a nice space because it connects the garden with the courtyard. And it's a very fresh place. And for instance, we have breakfast here in the mornings, or in the afternoon we lay out to have siesta. This is the Oriental room, originally named Fumoir. It's a place inspired in Arabian or in Egypt. And for instance, at the walls we have a collection of engravings from Egypt. It's a collection of engravings that Napoleon does when he conquered Egypt. This is an antique wallpaper. It was made on France in the 18th century at the beginning. When I restore it, I make some additions, so I draw my 3 dogs. You can see them here and there, which is an addition to the original painting. Here we are at the kitchen. I made the kitchen an old-style kitchen. It's very simple but very useful. Also, it's very easy to work in. We have a place also to have lunch or breakfast mostly. Mostly I was inspired in this is Spanish from Granada, so I choose this pattern of white and blue and white. I look for these tiles, which are Portuguese for the 18th century, and I choose also the dark blue for the fabrics and also to inside the wardrobes. When I started the works of the house, I had in my mind clearly what kind of works I would like to do, especially with the house and the architecture, materials, also the old chimneys or fireplaces I bought, all the materials, everything was very clear. But the arrangement of the decoration was something more instinctive, more al improviso. I bought a lot of things and then I arranged the decoration and arranged the inside more like something funny with all the things I get, not so mental as the work of the house was. This is the library. To create this library, I designed these bookcases. They are very architectural too. They are made in pine wood. It's the same wood as the windows of the house. And I decorated inside the bookcases with this marbleized paper, which is the same paper that they use to cover the books. Now we're in the chapel of the house. This is a very good example of Baroque chapel, Baroque style chapel. It was made at the same time as the house, and it's a very big and important chapel to be a private chapel for a house. It's quite important. And when I bought it, it was not in good condition, so I restored all the stuccos of ceiling, and it was painted in yellow, and I did this monochrome white for all the chapel. This is my bedroom. I like very much it because of the view. I can oversee the garden from here. And as you can see, there is no wardrobe, but I don't have many clothes, especially for the weekends. And I will show you the potager garden. There's a pool, the roses.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Now we are in the garden of the house. It is an historical garden. It was made in the beginning of the 19th century, but when I bought the house it was abandoned. So with the help of my landscaper, Alvaro Sampedro, we do it up, and we plant a lot of new plants, we reorganize the spaces, and now it's a nice Italian style garden.
Don't miss another video visit. Click on the orange Q to subscribe and have Quintessence virtually delivered from our doorstep to yours.